Welcome to the world of FIBC Jumbo Bags manufactured by Lichybees Exim. So, let's get started. First of all, let's understand what are FIBC Jumbo Bags. FIBC stands for Flexible Intermediate Bulk Containers, also known as bulk bags or big bags. These versatile containers are used for storing and transporting a wide range of products from grains and chemicals to construction materials and pharmaceuticals. The journey of an FIBC jumbo bag starts with the selection of premium quality raw materials. At Lichybees Exim, we use high-grade polypropylene, which is known for its strength and flexibility. Our art of manufacturing facility is equipped with advanced machinery and technology. The process involves several steps. The first step is extrusion, that is transforming polypropylene into yarn. The second step is weaving, that is creating strong and durable fabric from the yarn. The third step is cutting and sieving, that is precision of cutting and skilled weaving to form the bags. The fourth is quality control, that is rigorous testing to ensure that each bag meets our stringent quality standards. Every FIBC jumbo bags undergoes rigorous testing to ensure it can handle the toughest conditions. From tensile strength test to UV resistance, we leave no stone unturned into guaranteeing the highest quality. Whether it's agriculture, construction or pharmaceuticals, our FIBC jumbo bags are trusted by industries worldwide. Their versatility and reliability makes them an essential tool for efficient and safe transport of bulk materials. Experience the best in bulk packaging solutions with Lichybees Exim. Visit our website or contact us today to learn more about FIBC jumbo bags. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.